Right, is sponsored by Troy Family Dental, where friendly, caring, and relaxing dentistry is really what sets them apart. I'm joined right now by Dr. Richard Boatman, and he has two of their services with them today. He's going to walk us through all that. So, Dr. B, thanks so much for being here with us today.
It's great to be here.
Absolutely. We're glad to have you back. So, walk us through what you've actually brought in for us today.
So, what we do at Troy Family Dental in Illinois is we do a lot of implants, and we really do a lot of mini dental implants for patients because they're less expensive, less time consuming, less discomfort, and they can really help a lot of people otherwise. So a lot of people struggle with a lower denture that just floats. And I've never met a patient in 35 years that likes denture glue.
Yeah.
So we can place 4 small implants, and a couple of months later we can put snaps inside their denture, and that'll snap right into place, and no longer, they don't need any glue.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Yes. For the upper denture, a lot of people struggle with a really bad gag reflex, and they have a difficult time wearing it. So we can place 6 implants on the top. 2 months later, we can remove the palate from their denture. This will snap into place also, and now their bite power is much better. They can taste their food a lot better, no more gag reflex.
I love that.
Really nice.
I have a very, yeah.
Some people do, yes.
I get it. I get it. And speaking of that, there is something called sedation dentistry.
Yes.
How does that work?
Well, sedation dentistry is actually wonderful. It's estimated that about 40% of the entire population is scared to death to go to the dentist, and our oral health is so important to our overall health. So we have a state-of-the-art facility that has 14 treatment rooms, 2 of which are equipped for sedation dentistry only. We have a certified registered nurse anesthetist that comes in, will place the IV. The patient takes a nap, kind of falls asleep, and wakes up, and all their dentistry is done, and they don't remember a thing.
Wow, I'm definitely a part of that 40%. I've never had to be sedated though, so hopefully it won't ever get to that point. But who is a good candidate for sedation dentistry?
Actually, most people are. We do not do children under 16 years of age or patients that have really complicated medical histories. For those, we actually have privileges at St. Joseph's Hospital in Highland, Illinois, so we can do those cases in the operating room there. But for the most part, we can do everybody.
Awesome. And, you know, we just talked about that dental phobia. It is a real thing.
It is.
Do you see a lot of patients that suffer with it, or?
Every day. Every day. There are people that have a hard time even calling because they're so afraid.
Wow.
Yes. And once they come into the facility, meet our highly trained staff, that just puts them at ease right there, and then they can get their dentistry done very, very comfortably.
And that says a lot about you. That says a lot about your staff at Troy Family Dental. But I am definitely in that number, 100%. But your oral health is so important. Why do you want people to come on in and make sure they're still taking care of their teeth, even if they are a little scared?
Well, periodontal disease, infections in our mouth, they really don't have very many symptoms at all. So we can have a really bad oral infection going on and not even really know it. And that's really affecting our overall health. It complicates diabetes and a lot of other conditions.
Wow. So many things connected back to what goes on in our mouths and how often we're brushing our teeth and making sure we're getting our teeth clean. So, well, Dr. Boatman, thank you so much for being here. If you are interested in visiting them at Troy Family Dental, all that information is right there on your screen. You can visit them at troyfamilydental.com. Give them a call or follow them on Facebook and Instagram. At Facebook, it's Troy Family Dental, and on Instagram, Troy FD. Dr. Boatman, what's the best thing about helping people make sure their oral health is in tip-top shape?
Oh, just the relationships that you develop with people when they come in with a problem, and those relationships are just priceless.
Absolutely. Relationships are so important. Building that rapport with your patients. Well, you can build a rapport with Dr. Boatman at Troy Family Dental, and we'll make sure that you have access to all of that information on our website at studiostl.tv.